We will be making shell bean soup today. I am pouring 50 ml of olive oil to a pot. Then I am adding 1 finely chopped onion to it. Before it turns fully translucent, I am adding half a tablespoon of tomato paste to it. I am frying the onion and paste mix a couple of minutes before adding in the chopped green peppers. You can use 2 long green peppers or a half of 1 green bell pepper for this recipe. After I also fry them for a couple of minutes, I am adding in the shell beans. These shell beans are previously boiled. I am now sautéing all of these for 5 minutes. I am now filling up the pot with water. I only fill it up to cover the beans, but if you would like it more liquid, you can add more water at this stage. I am now adding some salt and 10 grams of sugar to the pot. I am now leaving it to boil. When the beans become soft, our dish is ready. Please do not forget to like and share our videos. Enjoy!